Ten things you didn't know about keto diet. One, the keto diet wasn't originally developed for weight loss. The keto diet was created in the 1920s to treat epilepsy. It has been employed for medical therapies, including diabetes, on and off since then. 2, this diet is extra low carb compared to other options. To make the keto diet work, you must deprive your body of carbohydrates so that it can burn fat for energy. This diet limits you to 50 grams of carbs each day, which is significantly less than most other low-carb diets. 3, you can eat a lot of different foods on the keto diet. Many diets forbid fattening foods. You can eat fats, including dairy and meats, on the keto diet. 4, you consume a large amount of fat on this diet. The key principle behind this diet is to eat enough fat to make fat your body's primary fuel source. However, it's critical to consume healthy fats rather than simply any fat. 5, keto flu is one of the diet's possible side effects. The keto flu, which isn't actually the flu, is a side effect of ketosis that makes some people unwell for the first week of the diet. 6, berries are good for keto but most fruit isn't. Surprisingly, most fruits have too many carbs to fit within this regimen. Low-sugar berries, on the other hand, are fine. 7, ketosis literally changes your metabolism. The keto diet alters the way your metabolism functions. Ketosis is the term for this transformation. 8, supplements are often needed with this diet. It's a good idea to take supplements to help your body go through the metabolic changes of ketosis in a healthy way. A wide range of supplements is suggested. 9, your ketosis can go too far. It is possible to become ill if you follow the keto diet for an extended period of time. When embarking on this regimen, it's advisable to seek medical advice. 10, the common weight loss rate with this diet varies. Early on in the keto diet, most people lose between 2 and 8 pounds. However, the outcomes differ greatly from person to person.